Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to talk about avocados while making this avocado garlic sandwich. Now this avocado garlic sandwich is really tasty, so you need to make it once and eat it and you will see that it's so simple to make, nutritious and very tasty. Now for the bread, you can switch it to any kind of bread that you wish. I'm using it white bread here. So I have one avocado, and this one avocado will make the filling for 3 sandwiches. So I'm going to peel avocado and then I will mash it, and first I have to chop it and then mash it. This is a little bit hard, so if you get soft avocado, that's much better. So I'm just going to cut it and then little bit chop it and mash it, and once that's done, then I'm going to add 1 or 2 cloves of grated garlic. Now you can add finely chopped red onion as well, will be very tasty. You can add grated ginger too, that will be a double punch, you know. And then garlic and ginger grated and onion chopped will make it really tasty. Now to this mess, I'm going to add little bit of salt or a pinch and little bit of black pepper. Not a lot. For the salt, you have to hold off and just add very little. And once I add these 3 ingredients, then I'm going to mash it thoroughly with the masher, just like a mashed potato. And after that, you put it at the center of your sandwich with a spoon, and then you sprinkle a little bit of red chili pepper, few drops of lemon juice, and add a little bit of olive oil. So I have a tablespoon of olive oil which I will use in all 3 of the sandwiches. So just a few drops. Now after that, you just put another slice of bread, and then you can cut it at the center, and this will make awesome sandwich. This is easy to make and very tasty, very tasty. So avocado, as you know, is a superfood and has a lot of health benefits. And garlic as well, another superfood with a lot of health benefits. And if you add crushed ginger and little tiny cube-sized tiny pieces of red onion, that makes it even awesome. And avocado is so creamy, so it can be mixed with anything and taste awesome. And it is mostly fat, 70% of fat, so it's the only fruit slash vegetable which has so much fat. It's a fatty vegetable, fatty fruit, whatever you call it. And it's loaded with vitamin and nutrients and minerals. So it has vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B5, B6, vitamin E, it has magnesium, and it has manganese, copper, iron, phosphorus, zinc, especially vitamin A, vitamin B1, which is thiamine, vitamin B2, riboflavin, and vitamin C, niacin. So as you can see, it is loaded with nutrients. And one medium avocado. The one I am making the sandwich right now has about 160 calories just on the avocado, and 2 grams of protein, and it has 15 grams of fat, 9 grams of carbohydrate. Out of that, 7 grams of fiber, so it's only 2 grams of carbohydrate. So it is so little carbohydrate, makes it great keto food, and it's great for your skin, your hair, and it has so much potassium, which makes it another excellent food for your heart and lowers the blood pressure. So it's a really heart healthy food, and it has heart healthy mono unsaturated fatty acids. So this is really good food, and has the good fat, and it's a very filling food. And if you are trying to restrict your carbohydrate, low carb diet, avocado is the way to go. Adding avocado to your meal will ensure your nutrition and vitamin and mineral intakes, because it's a plant fat, and it makes your body absorb the fat soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. And it is full of antioxidants, so it reduces inflammation in the body. So as you can see, it has many other benefits, and I have just listed a few of them. And this is just such a great superfood, so include it to your diet. Make all different kinds of variation, and you can pretty much add it to anything because it doesn't have much of a taste by itself. It just tastes like a fatty food because it has a lot of fat, but you can add it to anything. One of the greatest I do is this: I add it to my cilantro mint chutney. I throw in a couple of avocados, and it makes the chutney so creamy and smooth, and I can use that instead of mayonnaise and all the sandwich spread, because it makes a smooth sandwich spread with my cilantro or mint, and I use all kinds of spices and have chili pepper, and it just makes an awesome sandwich spread. So I'm going to do that one day and show it to you how amazing that is. So just enjoy your yummy avocado sandwich. You can enjoy with a cup of black coffee, or you can enjoy with Indian chai tea, anything that you wish. And you can enjoy with just karda. Karda is another kind of tea, and this tea is a great tea for the winter, and any kind of virus, bacteria, whatever, is really good protective. So you can make that karda with 1 cup of water, boil it, and to that add some crushed ginger, and to that add a cardamom. Just open it up, and or you can crush it, cardamom, few cloves, and then you can add a couple of bay leaves, and then just put all this in a pan and just boil it. So you have cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, ginger, and black pepper. Boil all this, and then just drink that with this sandwich. It's going to be so tasty. So you can have the kara 2-3 times a day, and it's just so tasty and so healthy. If you drink the kara every day, you're not going to get a cold or any other things. So just make it and enjoy it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.